We constantly get asked, why BobCAD-CAM? Here's why. Because making changes takes seconds. You adjust and instantly see what's happening in real time. It doesn't matter if you're programming from wireframe or from a solid model. Make the change, recompute, and see the results immediately. You have access to multiple toolpath strategies, and now an advanced user interface that gives you full control. Every detail, retractions, stepovers, even unnecessary air cutting, is in your hands. Multi-axis programming is no longer complex. Define your geometry, select your toolpath, set your parameters, click recompute, and once again, you see results in real time. Whether you're roughing or finishing, simply modify your parameters, recompute, and validate instantly. At any moment, you can backplot or run a full simulation to verify your process with confidence. From mill-turn parts to complex impellers, everything can be programmed within the same system. So again, why BobCAD-CAM? Because no matter the project, no matter how complex the part, the software delivers. And more importantly, our support and training team is there to guide you every step of the way. Thank you and have an amazing day.